Are you ready to find your why, your motivation, getting out to work out? Well, we're at the Winston YMCA here off Riverside Avenue downtown, and I'm pleased to welcome Connie Smith. Great to be with you.
You too, Mike.
And she's the Director of Community Health Programs, and we're here today to talk about, really my happy place. You know, I trained here for marathons, but let's start with this. February is Heart Health Month, okay? Where should folks start with their health journey?
So you start at your physician and then come out to us.
Okay.
So the Y has everything from swimming to group exercise, to family programs, to just coming in on any of the cardio equipment. And so we have a place for everybody.
Right, and that's for everybody, no matter what level you're at. And let's talk about that. So a lot of folks need a little motivation or a little nudge to get here, and they may be intimidated. What's your advice for that?
Yeah, so just find your motivation, whatever it is. So it could be a child who is looking up to you, a grandchild that you want to work out with.
Right.
It could be a event that you want to train for. It could just be that your doctor told you that you had some sort of chronic disease, like heart disease or diabetes. So that could be your motivation as well to come over here. We have everything for you.
Okay, and you have a lot of programs here. We'll start with this. We'll keep it simple. What is the recommended amount of exercise a week folks should have?
Very good question. Okay. So we recommend that 150 minutes of exercise.
Okay.
It breaks down to about 30 minutes every single day for 5 days or 25 for 6 days.
So you can break it down. Don't let the 150 minutes scare you.
Yeah, not a day, not an hour, over 5 days.
It's all good. So you just schedule that time for yourself. And exercise is medicine. What do you mean by that at the YMCA?
Yeah, so we have a program here that's called Exercise is Medicine. It is a physician-based referral program. You come see us, you work out with a personal trainer 2 days a week, includes your membership as well. So we kind of give you the excuses and the barriers are taken away from you.
I like it.
So that you come over here and we put you through exercise. It's much better than getting written a prescription for another medicine. You get a prescription for exercise.
Yeah, well, you got all these you have a beautiful facility. You've got a track to walk around. I noticed on some of those days where it's a little tough for work, maybe schedule that lunch hour, part of the lunch hour, join the track, and you can overlook the beautiful St. John's here.
Yeah, or you could break it up. So you're 30 minutes every single day. You could do 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, and then after at lunchtime, and then again in the afternoon. So now you've made your 30 minutes. You've just broken it up, make it really easy. So a lot of people think 30 minutes or 60 minutes. I can't do all of that. I don't have time in my schedule. You actually can. You can just make it small chunks, and that makes it a lot easier.
Excellent. Okay, so if folks go to the doctor, they're diagnosed with high blood pressure or diabetes or a chronic disease, what can they do? How can the Y help them?
So the Y is kind of an extension of our medical partners. So we partner with all of the physicians around in the 5 different hospitals that we have here, where they'll send you over to the Y for Exercise is Medicine, our blood pressure self-monitoring program. So if you have that high blood pressure, we can help you monitor it.
Yes.
Our diabetes prevention program or our diabetes self-management program as well. So we are a little bit more than just a gym. We're actually the Y, which has a lot more for it for our chronic disease programming.
So there you go. You have an answer for that. And how about folks get here? What's the next step they should take?
Yeah, so when you get here, you should actually do a fast forward fitness appointment. So fast forward fitness appointments are done in 3 appointments with our personal trainers or our wellness staff.
Which I've done. With Frank got me through the Boston Marathon.
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 appointments.
So 3 appointments. So they kind of walk you through all of the different things, talk about your goals, talk about your health history, walk you through all of the different equipment, so we make it so that it's not as intimidating.
Right.
You don't have to make those decisions. We help you make those decisions so along the way you have those goals.
Based on your level, right? So you have all this equipment. So yeah, Frank had me pull a sled, and oh my goodness, he challenged me, but again, he knew where I was, and he helped me actually improve myself that way.
Yeah, so we don't always go to the extremes, so we might just start you really slow, without even any weight at all, because resistance body weight is just as big as building and using
huge for runners.
Yeah, absolutely. It's better than using some of our equipment as well. So the trainers and all of our staff will help you with that. Okay,
well, it's been great, Connie, to be with you in the YMCA here at Winston. Get out here and you can do it. It doesn't matter where you start, just start. Okay, so of course, for much more on this and the YMCA and all the great programs, head to our website, firstcoastliving.net.